the Anne Beadell Highway. Over 1,300 kilometres of some of Australia's most rugged and isolated outback terrain. Join us as we cross one of Len Beadell's most famous highways, from corrugations to stunning campsites. Part 2. This one's for you, Grandma.
We would like to take this moment to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land of which we travel and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would like to extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples and their country.
Good morning.
Morning! We're at Yeo Homestead, if you didn't catch our last video, where we made it this far. And we're about to jump on the official Anne Beadell Highway.
We are.
So excited. So excited. The highway named after my grandmother, made by my grandfather. Really excited to get back along it. I've only ever done it from east to west, so from Coober Pedy to Laverton, or Coober Pedy to Neale Junction, and then down through to Cocklebiddy. So it's really exciting to do it from the west, just for something different, to see what it's like. First time for Jess that I get to share this part of my family heritage with her. So
It is.
yes, looking forward to it. The weather should be good. We've got a couple of days of, it's going to be 17 or 18 today, and then that for the next couple of days, and then mid-20s after that. We're expecting some corrugations. That's all part and parcel of outback travel. But yeah, we're looking forward to bringing you along and showing you how good it is out here. So we're in the Cosby Newbury area, so you need a permit. There's 4 permits to do the Anne Beadell Highway. We'll take you through all of those going forward, but we're in the Cosby Newbury area at the moment at Yeo Homestead. We stayed here the night. There's tables and chairs and a long drop toilet and some fire pits and stuff like that, so always a good spot to start, and then kick off from here. And we're going to head towards Neale Junction. We probably won't make it that far today. We'll probably stop just before that at a memorial plaque for my grandma, so probably camp around there somewhere. So that's the plan for today.
Cool.
Otherwise we're just going to lap it up. Enjoy the spinifex and get amongst the red dirt.
Enjoy the corrugation.
Yeah, well, hopefully there's not too many of them, so yes. But no, the Yeo Homestead, the old, you used to be able to go inside and used to be able to cook inside, I think, even sleep inside, bits and pieces, but it's all been fenced off now. Must be getting a bit rickety in its old age, so we've signed the visitor book, we've done our daily check, we've walked around the car and checked everything, and now we're just going to head off. Sound good? Beautiful. All right, let's hit the tracks.
Let's go.
we've rocked up to the first of many plaques along the Anne Beadell Highway. And this one's for my grandma. So we put this plaque here in 2011. 2011. April 2011. There you go. After we went to Woomera and spread our ashes there, and then we come out here as a family and put this plaque up. So yeah, beautiful spot. A few memes, a couple of memories. But yes, it's always nice to come back out here and remember, I suppose.
It's a beautiful spot.
It is.
Very pretty.
It's lovely. Sand hills and spinifex.
Yeah.
She's a bit fresh. The breeze is chilly. It's still like 13 degrees or something. Hasn't really warmed up.
No.
So we've done a few kilometres. Don't really know how many. You were looking at the map.
I think we've done. Oh gosh.
Back to bed.
I think we've done about 50, 60 k's.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've got another like 50.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go consult the map and work out what we do from here. I thought this was closer to Neale Junction. But clearly
Sure.
not.
Okay.
Yeah.
More halfway.
Yeah. Right. All good.
Cool.
We'll consult the map and we shall work out what we're going to do. Must be one thing. It's lunchtime. Got a bit of chicken that we're going to get used by today. So we found a little spot that someone else has used for camp, which we're going to use for lunch.
Yeah.
So we're just going to cook up some chicken on the fire and make some warm chicken rolls. Bit of coleslaw. Now we're talking. Very good. Very good. I think that's the beauty of Outback travel. You just find a spot, pull up. It's good. We ran into 3 cars, was it, darling? 3 cars heading west. And they'd been on the track since the 1st of July. And they'd taken it real slow. Like, what were they saying? Like 60 k's a day.
Yeah.
Just out of choice. They just taking their time, which is fine. They had a bit of issue with their camper trailer. So yeah, they were just taking it easy, so nothing wrong with that. Alrighty, time to get back on the road. We just lower our tyre pressures down a bit based on some information that we got from the people that we passed. Just saying it gets a bit worse. There's a bit of a hard, rocky section, so just to make sure. Yeah, but that's all right. So we've just lowered our tyre pressures down to give a bit more flexibility to the tyre, especially around the tyre wall, and then to lengthen the track of our tyres. So anyway, helps with corrugations, looks after your suspension, looks after your tyres. Time to go.
Time to go.
Beautiful. That was a good lunch. That was a great lunch. It's a beauty. All right, time to hit the road. Afternoon. Ooh, the sun's come out.
Yeah, I know.
That's nice. Afternoon. Well, we've pulled up camp. It's only early. Get a microphone. Put that there. Oh, crack me. Watch you.
Oh, how did you do that?
No idea. Just got it. It's 4:10, so it's pretty early still. We've been camped probably, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
20 minutes. So, thought it'd be a good opportunity. Early one. We're just inside the Neale Reserve. Neale Reserve?
Yeah, yep.
It's not the Neale Junction Reserve, is it? No,
Nah,
Neale
Neale
Junction
Reserve.
is in the Neale Reserve.
Yep.
So we're just inside the Neale Reserve and we'll head to the junction tomorrow and then past it. But yeah, I thought we'd take the opportunity to have a nice, chilled afternoon.
Yeah, keen.
Yeah, so we're going to do a bit of cooking.
Yeah.
Not sure, something a bit longer.
Yeah.
Got a few like dishes that we want to do that are a bit more lengthy, and you can do that when you go in bush because you give yourself time.
You do.
Like we can do short days and long days. So yeah, bigger patch of corrugation just then, wasn't it?
Definitely. Longer patch. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely a longer patch of corrugations that were pretty harsh in some spots, but also because we was trying to slow down to find somewhere to camp that you slow down and like where if you sit on a nice speed like 60 to 70 seems to be quite a good, like depending on the straightness of the road, but
Yeah.
around 60 has been quite a good speed so far. So, and the tyre pressure dropping them down a bit helped, didn't it?
Yeah.
So beautiful, but a beautiful spot here. There's just something about the desert gums and spinifex and red dirt. I like it.
You love it.
I love it.
You love it.
I love it.
Happy.
Bit of dip and biscuits.
Why not?
Sounds good. Dip and biscuits. Beautiful. All right, we'll get to it. How good is lamb stew? Slow cooked, 2.5, 3 hours. Did a good job. This is all you, babe. This is good. This is what you need. It's freezing out here tonight. Glad the
The shins.
yeah, I'm glad the winds died down because it was
Yeah, it was blowing.
freezing before. Good fire and a good stew to warm you up. That's what you need.
Well, that's a wrap on this one, guys. Thanks heaps for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It goes a long way to helping us out.
To stay up to date with us, make sure to hit us up on the socials on Instagram and Facebook.
Be sure to jump over to our website and check out everything Wandering Oz, and grab yourself some Wandering Oz merch.
Thanks again for joining us, guys. We'll see you next time as we continue the adventure.
Catch ya.